How to connect JioFiber to Samsung Smart TV. Method number 1, wired Ethernet connection. Step number 1, locate the Ethernet port. Find the Ethernet LAN port on the back of your Samsung Smart TV. Step number 2, connect the Ethernet cable. Plug one end of the Ethernet cable into the LAN port on your TV. Connect the other end to an available LAN port on your JioFiber router. Step number 3, configure network settings. Turn on your TV and press the home button on the remote. Navigate to Settings, General, Network, Open Network Settings. Select Wired as the connection type. The TV will automatically detect the wired connection and connect to the internet. Method number 2, wireless Wi-Fi connection. Step number 1, access network settings. Turn on your Samsung Smart TV and press the home button on the remote. Go to Settings, General, Network, Open Network Settings. Step number 2, select wireless connection. Choose wireless as the connection type. Step number 3, connect to JioFiber Wi-Fi. Select your JioFiber Wi-Fi network from a list of available networks. Enter the Wi-Fi password when prompted and select Done. The TV will attempt to connect. Once connected, a confirmation message will appear.